Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to register on Western Union website. So first click register. You will have to enter your first name, your middle name, or your surname. Then enter your date of birth. After that, enter your email and create your own password. Then enter your street address and house number. Then enter your city, town, suburb, and postcode. Enter the additional information. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to go to the Wheels Coins website to find more information. Thanks for watching.